Today I'm going to show you how to set up auto reply on Fiverr. This feature is incredibly useful for managing client communications, especially when you're away or need to set expectations about response times. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to fiverr.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. After you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Fiverr dashboard where you can access all your account features. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your inbox icon there. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select See All in Inbox. This will take you to your full messaging interface where you can view all your conversations with clients and manage your communication settings. Once you're in the inbox, take a look at the left panel. Here you'll see a list of all your message threads. Click on any inbox message to open the chat window. It doesn't matter which conversation you choose, as the auto reply settings will apply to all your messages. This step simply opens up the interface where you can access the messaging tools. With the chat window now open, focus on the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll notice a lightning bolt icon positioned there. This icon is your gateway to Fiverr's quick response features, including the auto reply function. Click on this lightning bolt icon to reveal the available options. A menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Set Auto Reply. This is where you'll configure the automatic message that gets sent to anyone who contacts you while the feature is active. It's a great way to maintain professionalism and keep clients informed even when you're not immediately available. Now you'll see a message box appear. Here you can type your automatic message. You might want to let clients know when you'll be back, or simply inform them that you've received their message and will respond soon. If there's already existing text in the box, feel free to edit it to match your preferences and communication style. Take a moment to craft a message that's clear, professional, and sets the right expectations for response time. Finally, once you're satisfied with your auto reply message, click Save. This activates the auto reply feature and ensures it remains turned on. Your automatic message will now be sent to anyone who contacts you until you decide to turn the feature off. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up auto reply on Fiverr, which will help you maintain communication with clients even when you're not actively online. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.